Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. In this video, a hair is being twisted. Again, one more hair is being twisted, combining the hairs slowly and then making a twisting of the hair and making it a beautiful hairstyle. So this way of using an hand fingers and the directions of their hairstyle is being taught in this video. So a free hairstyle using a hand movement is being taught and the rubber band being used. Take a half part of the hair, divide it by 2, put a ponytail, twist them and then use a clip and make an hair. Same way follows everywhere the hair is being plaited. So here's a free hairstyle that is being done with a twisting of hair. Same way it is done to the left side of the hair and the free hair has been created. So put a flat and use a clip over it by plaiting little by little hairs into a tiny plait. So hairstyle has been used to look more prettier for the girls. So here's one kind of a hairstyle that has been done by plaiting with tiny of hairs. So after this, a plaiting is being done. Slowly a plaiting is being plaited one by one and here's a beautiful clip that has been used. Take a comb, divide it by 3 the hairs and plait them. After the plaiting of them, just take little by little hair and then merge with that. Same way as it follows to the right side as well as to the left side. So left side it's been done and then plait them slowly, put a clip onto it. So after the clip is being used, use a rubber band, twist the hair and make it in an heart shape. Same way another half part is being divided, twisting the hair and one more heart hairstyle is being done. Slowly then it is being plaited with the remaining hairs and using a rubber band and make it as a bun. Put a clip onto it. So a hair is being placed and just tying the hairs that is being twisted. Slowly the hair is being plaited. So after the plaited, need to put a rubber band onto it and a clip onto it. Take a left side of the hair, plait it in a 3 dividing the hair. Same way it is done on the right side by merging the different hairstyle and then combining together and plaiting the hair. So here's a beautiful hair. Thank you.